beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is highly requested. This is requested from you guys. It's a braid video on how I do my foundation for my sew-ins. And this video will be a part of an entire sew-in series. So I'm gonna give you guys a few videos in this series describing different aspects of a sew-in and what makes a good sew-in and all sorts of stuff. So if you are interested in those type of videos, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel. When it comes to sew-ins, you want to make sure that you're continuously oiling the hair, or make sure that you oil it either before, after, during, whatever works for you. But you want to make sure that the hair is really, really oiled or moisturized, whichever you choose, because the hair will be braided down and then the hair will be sewn on top of it. So you want to make sure that that person's hair is not just breaking off and really dry and brittle underneath their weave. If you like what you've seen so far, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I do upload videos every Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So be sure to be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Jus'Marie_hair studio and all that good stuff. Yeah. So this foundation that my client is getting, that is because of the particular sew-in that she's getting. She's getting an off-center part, so that is why she's getting this foundation. I do not do the same foundation for every client. It all depends on what type of sew-in they want, and it also depends on their hair density as well. So if you guys are interested in a video, more of a detailed video on how I determine who gets what, then make sure you leave that down below in the comment section. If you need to rewind or fast forward this video or even pause it or whatever the case may be, this is YouTube. So if you didn't catch something, then make sure that you do that so you can catch it the second time around. But this is how I get that seamless sew-in look, is by braiding my client's hair down like this. I try not to braid too tight. So I always ask my clients to let me know if it's too tight, because I can be a little heavy-handed at times. So I try to braid as I want the braids to actually be pretty firm and the foundation to be really good, but I don't want it to be too tight to the point where it's pulling my client's pulling they whole face structure back. I don't want people to have to look like they got some type of Botox or something like that after they got done getting braided. So I do ask my clients throughout the service, if it is painful at all, or if there's a part that needs to be loosened up, let me know before I start sewing down those tracks. Because once the weave is sewn down, that's it. So right there in that area where I just pointed to, that is an area that she has a little bit of breakage. So I am going to go in and put a net on just that area right there, because I don't want to cause any more tension on that area that is kind of having some issues already. So I go in with that net to just, you know, make extra space for me to just sew down the hair, where I don't have to sew down in that area and have it being pulled or tightened even more, none of that kind of stuff. And that first braid, the anchor braid right there, it's firm, but it's not tight at all. So, you know, I don't want to pull out her hair further or cause any damage to her hair. So that is why I did that. I mean, when it comes to weaves, I love weaves and I love doing weaves and, you know, all that kind of stuff. But at the same time, my clients' natural hair and the health of their natural hair is always my first priority, always. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be informed every time I upload a new video. All right, beauties, see you next time. Bye.